Do you have a passion? Is it your pet, the beach, a hobby, sports? Are you looking for the perfect gift for that hard-to-buy person? Welcome to Grilly, unique grill ornaments for cars and trucks. No more having to share space on the back of your car with traditional bumper stickers. Grillies honor the style and creativity of yesteryear's hood ornaments, but with a modern spin, giving you the chance to showcase your passion and make a statement right up front. Handmade to stand up to life on the road, Grillies will look great for years and come with easy-to-install instructions. Order in either antiqued, pewter, or nickel finishes. Personalizing your car and getting that custom look has never been so easy and so fun. Made in the USA with a 100% money-back guarantee for 30 days. Over 100 ornaments to choose from for only $59.99 each. But wait, call now or visit us online at Grilly.com. Enter coupon code GIFT. We'll take off $25 per Grilly purchased. Limited time offer. Grilly, driving your passion forward.